Nancy Fetzer's sentence building. Lesson number 2. Writing a basic sentence. These are the things that you will need: a pencil, a red crayon, and the basic sentence writing organizer number 1.
We are ready to begin. Let's learn how to write a sentence. In order to write a sentence, we need to have an idea, something to write about. That's because a sentence is a group of words about an idea. Let's watch this idea about the plane. Wow, that was fun! Let's write a sentence that tells about this idea. Have your sentence organizer in front of you. Get into writing position. Sit up tall in your seat, feet flat on the ground, and have a pencil in your hand ready to write. Follow my steps. Step 1. Point with the pencil to the idea picture and ask, who or what is this about? The plane. Go to the planning page and draw a quick picture of the plane in the top left box. That's where we put who or what our sentence is about. Don't forget, your picture is not an art project. Instead, it should be a quick sketch of the idea. Step 2. Go back to the idea picture and ask, what about the plane? What was the plane doing? Let's draw an arrow to show the plane flew. That was easy! Step 3. Point to the boxes and tell a sentence. First, point to the left box. The plane. Point to the right box. Flew. The plane flew. Excellent! That's a complete sentence. It tells exactly what you saw about the plane. The plane flew. Step 4. Time to plan for the capital and stop. Remember our rule. Every sentence starts with a capital and every sentence ends with a stop. Every sentence starts with a capital and every sentence ends with a stop. Capitals are the uppercase or big letters in the alphabet. Remember the rule. Every sentence starts with a capital and ends with a stop. This sentence is a telling sentence. It tells what the plane did. The plane flew. Telling sentences end with periods. Let's point to the planning boxes and say our sentence again. The plane flew. Go back and say the first word of our sentence. The. In the left planning box, write down the. Capital T-H-E. Say the whole sentence. The plane flew. Next, go to the right planning box. Make a period to show that's the end of the sentence. Great job! Time for the red crayon! Before you write your sentence on the lines, use your red crayon to check for a capital and stop in your planning boxes. Trace the capital T in the first word of our sentence, the. Yay! We have the capital at the start of our sentence. Next, go to the end of our sentence. The plane flew. Trace the period. Yay! We have our period. That tells us where the sentence ends. Step 5. Now it's time to write the sentence.
You've planned. You've talked. Now it's time to write. Please remember, if you have the skills, then you write it. If you are still learning the skills, then a helper writes it for you.
Say the words as you write. The plane flew. Very good. Step 6. Time for the red crayon. Time to edit the sentence you've written. Go back and trace the first letter in the sentence and go to the end and mark the period to check that you have a capital and a stop. Great job! We are ready to read our sentence. The plane flew. The plane flew. Congratulations! You have written a complete sentence. Yay! Pat yourself on the back. You have finished Lesson 2 and are ready to move on to Lesson 3.